It is an absolutely beautiful day here in Utah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. In the last video, we attempted to unwrap the Aventador. We failed miserably because the weather moved in. It was cold, it was dreary, the sun was not shining, but today the sun is shining and we are unwrapping the Aventador. We wrapped the Aventador purple about a year and a half ago, and on camera, the purple comes across as amazing, and it is amazing. The vinyl over time is just faded where the camouflage was. There's a lot of imperfections just from driving it so hard with so many miles on it, in the snow, in the rain, in the wind, you name it. This Aventador has been through it, and the KPMF vinyl has protected the paint, which we are going to unwrap today. The factory paint is called Arancia Argos. It's a reddish orangish paint. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait for you guys to see it, and the contrast with the carbon fiber, ooh, that is going to look good. It's going to be unwrapped in a matter of like 5 minutes. It'll probably take me about 5 hours. Once we unwrap the car, we're gonna run it orange for the summertime, but this fall we're probably gonna rewrap it, maybe purple or maybe something else. Like I said, we're never, ever gonna sound the Aventador unless we get a name. Wow, whoa. Unfortunately, the high today is only gonna be around 86 degrees, but on Wednesday it drops to 65. Next week would be ideal in the mid-90s, but we're gonna unwrap it today, so hopefully we don't peel the paint off, because you guys know the drill. We're gonna leave the Aventador outside for a couple hours, let the vinyl bake under the Utah sun. It should just peel off like butter. The more heat, the more direct sunlight we get, the easier it is to remove, and the less likelihood we peel the paint off too. We really, obviously this goes without saying, we really don't want to peel the paint off because today's a beautiful day, and that would turn it in, well, it'd still be well, anyways. Oscar, hey buddy. I just realized we haven't been on the roof in forever, and today seems like a good day. It finally feels like a proper video with the old-fashioned lobster crawl. That purple looks so good. I'm gonna miss it so much. We sold the CA Corvette, the Supra's being sold, the Gladiator still is purple, 6x6 conversion coming soon, and the Aventador is being unwrapped. The Purple Army is slowly dwindling in numbers, but don't, okay, I'm kind of we're gonna back up because I am the Purple Army is dwindling in numbers, but don't worry, the flagship will always be purple. It's been about 2 hours. We're finally gonna start unwrapping the Aventador. I've been reluctant for so long because the purple, it looks so good. Like there's just something about a purple Lamborghini, but the time has come. Here we go. We're gonna start here on the passenger side. We're gonna start on the gas cap because that should be relatively easy, I hope. Let's make this a little bit faster. Some of you guys might remember when I unwrapped my Gallardo, it took me like 4 days. We're hoping to have this done in like 4 hours, but well, here we go. The Argos looks absolutely amazing. I'm getting so excited to see it with the white Brixton forged wheels. This door took maybe 10 minutes or so to unwrap. The heat is starting to rise very quickly, which is good for the vinyl, but it's not very good for my baby skin. And on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Roman. You guys may not have known this, but June is actually Men's Health Month, and right now, probably more than ever, your own personal health is the last priority on your never-ending to-do list. Well, Roman wants to help change that by making treatment options available and convenient. From skincare to daily health, Roman's has you covered. They have treatment options available for allergies, for hair loss, for skincare, anything regarding men's health, they got you covered. From the online doctor's visit to the discreet door-to-door delivery, receiving treatment will feel like one seamless experience. If the doctor decides that treatment is right for you after your evaluation, your medication will be shipped with free 2-day shipping right to your door. You also get free unlimited follow-ups with your doctor anytime you have questions or want to adjust your treatment plan. And in celebration of Men's Health Month, Roman is offering $20 off any new treatment plan during the month of June. Be sure to visit GetRoman.com/Stradman for a free online visit, $20 off any new treatment, and free 2-day shipping. That is GetRoman.com/Stradman. Guys, think about what's bothering you and let's move it to the top of your list with Roman. Out of nowhere, look at this guy. Are you kidding me? Yo, whoa. There's a kid on a scooter over there, bro. Did I miss something?
What's up?
There's a kid on a scooter over there.
Yeah, I almost hit him.
I know.
He like jumped the curb, didn't even look behind him, and he like cut right.
Those white stripes look so good on the Shelby. The purple crew is slowly dying. This is all that's left.
I don't want to hit the GT because you sold it basically, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't want you to hit it any day of the week, but yeah, especially not now.
Yeah, okay.
This is getting simply ridiculous. This is taking forever. It's crazy how much a wrap can completely transform the car. The Argos is looking amazing, and I actually love the white Brixton forged wheels, but the sun is behind like these wispy clouds, and it's kind of sort of killing our style right now. Now this side skirt piece, the carbon fiber right there, it is glued onto the base of the car, and it's actually glued onto the vinyl, unfortunately, so we're gonna have to rip that off somehow, some way. I have no real idea. Huh. This is just kind of sort of a bunch of nonsense. I'm sick and tired of this. It doesn't even feel like the same car. It looks so amazing though. But maybe we should just leave the driver's side purple and the passenger side orange. The carbon fiber and the Argos, that contrast, are you kidding me? But the purple and white wheels, like come on, you can't beat that either. And again. Every single time I do one of these clips, like 2 or 3 hours passes. We've ran into a bit of a caveat. The sun, the beautiful Utah sun, is no longer existent. So I start up the Aventador, the engine gets so hot, it should heat up the vinyl here on the rear deck lid. Hopefully we can remove it. We might have to postpone until tomorrow, but I want to get at least this removed, and ideally this as well. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I'm just yapping away. I didn't actually think it was gonna work. The vinyl is just peeling right off because the engine is so incredibly hot. This is saving me so much time. I should have done this from the get-go. Look at this guy out of nowhere. Finally, where have you been?
I've been watching you do this for 5 hours and I feel bad. I feel bad.
So you're just gonna finish it up for me or not?
No, I'm just here for the steak. I thought you were eating.
I think maybe 70–75% of the Aventador has been a wrap. The Argos looks incredible. I can't do it any longer. I've been sunburned, I've been battered, I've been bruised, I've been bullied. I can barely feel my fingertips. The Argos does look amazing. The white wheels are sick. Burlacker and I are going to Roadhouse. I'm pretty sure he's treating me to a steak. And on that bombshell, I'll see you guys in the morning. And just like that, it is Tuesday morning and we have some bad news. The orange looks incredible under the sun, but we got some bad news. Let's walk off to the back of the Aventador. So we have the carbon wing right here. We have the Lamborghini logo here on the back end. There's a pin right there and a pin right there. There's a nut on the back end of both pins. And the only way to remove the logo is to remove the rear bumper, but there's a bolt here, 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 and here, and the only way to access those bolts is to actuate the rear wing upward, but the only way to actuate it upward without driving 70 miles an hour is to plug in a computer to the ECU, and I don't have that computer. So we're gonna have some purple on the car for a while. We're gonna take a short break from the Aventador. It looks so killer. We're headed to Makes and Models to get the Supra. Makes has a Ford GT. Brendan's gonna try it again. Let's make fun of him in the comments. Oh, actually that was surprisingly easy. Why is it always so difficult for me? The black Ford GT, there's only 3 Ford GTs in Utah, I think, including mine, and this one right here. Pretty sure it's a stock exhaust though, so headphone users, honestly, you're probably gonna be okay. it actually sounded pretty good. We also have the yellow LP560, we got the 430 Challenge, and we have the Supra. This car does look so good. The light is just like beaming down on the Supra. This car looks so good. If you saw the last video, yes, I have sold the Supra. It's headed off down to Southern California. I'm gonna miss it so much. Also, what do you guys think? Looking into the future for the car collection, what if we had a bunch of different colors? The makes and models showroom looks amazing. Unfortunately, the red Urus has sold. It just sold. The new owner is gonna be here momentarily. I would buy it, but it sold, so I can't. But I still think we need to do an off-road Urus build someday. And hit it. Oh, jeez. This car is so crazy. When that turbo kicks in, the whole car just takes off. I truly am gonna miss the Supra so much. There you go. Jeez. I'm gonna miss this car. So maybe I shouldn't sell it, but I've already sold it, but I really am gonna miss it. This car looks like a video game in real life, and it has 500 wheel horsepower. It is so like twitchy around the corners. Such an amazing car, but like I said earlier, it is headed down to Southern California. Now in the last video I told you that the Supra was broken, and that's true, it is broken. You guys might know we're on Air Ride. We got the air management from AccuAir. AccuAir went out of business, which means finding replacement parts is next to impossible, but luckily eBay Motors doesn't, or not eBay Motors, eBay exists, and we found the replacement part, and Josh has it. It was $1,800. $1,800. Bro, are you kidding me? That's $1,800 bucks. Create it like a baby. There you go. Nice and soft. That is an $1,800. Bro, how could you do me like that? Like I said, AccuAir went out of business, so finding replacement parts is next to impossible. But Josh from 4 Horsemen Racing, link below. Wow, okay, this is not a paid product placement, but yo. The Aventador just has a whole different presence to it, and those white wheels match Oscar to perfection. I knew the white wheels looked cool. I didn't think they'd look that good. I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, I have to get black wheels, but I'm telling you, the white Brixtons look amazing. We're gonna forego conventional wisdom and leave the white Brixtons, and the contrast of the carbon fiber and the Argos, are you kidding me? The purple was amazing, but the Argos, I mean, you have to admit, like, it looks absolutely incredible. Every time I unwrap a car, I always say that because the whole car has just been completely refreshed. The purple was amazing, but the Argos sure is gonna be fun this summer. So we still got a bunch of vinyl to remove. The rear bumper needs to come off, and then the side skirts, which are glued onto the bottom of the car, we have to somehow unglue them. And on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. The Argos though, are you kidding me? It's so cool to have it back to its factory paint. We still have a lot of unwrapping to do. I physically cannot do it anymore. I have been battered, bruised, and bullied. I can barely feel my fingertips. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.